Good morning, my dear friends. Today is December 2nd, 2020, and in this daily current affair lecture series, we are going to have a discussion of December 2nd current affairs. So get ready, and the question number first is: which initiative was launched by Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar? The option number A is cooperative intelligence, option B is Subhashi, option number C is cooperative campaign, and option D is none of the above. So friend, the correct answer is cooperative intelligence was launched by the Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar. That is option number A is the correct answer, cooperative intelligence. Next question is Uttarakhand CM Trivendra Singh Rawat inaugurated which lake? Option number A is Suryadhar Lake, option number B Satal, option C Bhimtal, option D Vasuki-Tal, and option E is none of the above. So friend, the correct answer is Suryadhar Tal was inaugurated by Uttarakhand CM, that is Trivendra Singh Rawat. So the correct answer is option number A, Suryadhar Lake. Some important facts you should know that who is the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? We all know Trivendra Singh Rawat, and Governor of Uttarakhand was Baby Rani Maurya. Okay friends, Baby Rani Maurya were the Governor of Uttarakhand and Trivendra Singh Rawat was the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. Okay friends. Next question is who was appointed the General Secretary of Lok Sabha? Option number A is Mahendra Singh, option number B is Suresh Jindal, option C is Utpal Kumar Singh, and option D is none of the above. So Utpal Kumar Singh, that is option number C is the correct answer. Utpal Kumar Singh was appointed the new Governor General of Lok Sabha. Okay friends. Question number fourth is who has been appointed as the new chairman of NDTV? Option number A is Varsha Joshi, option B is Sunita Deswal, option D is Manik Sinha, and option D is none of the above. So the correct answer is Varsha Joshi was appointed as the Chief Minister of NDTV. So the correct answer is option number A, Varsha Joshi. Question number 5th. Which of the following has released the new book titled Future of Regional Cooperation in Asia and the Pacific? So the options are IMF, option B is UN, option C is ADB, and option D is none of the above. So the correct answer is option number C, ADB. The full form of ADB is Action Development Bank. Okay friends, you should have to know about the full forms of ADB, and the full form of ADB is Action Development Bank. And you should also know some important facts about ADB is that who is the president of ADB? That is Master Sugu Asakawa. Master Sugu Asakawa is the president of ADB, and the headquarters of ADB is in Manila, Philippines. Manila, Philippines is the headquarters, and the president is Tasugu Asakawa. Question number 6 is who has won the Bahrain Grand Prix 2020 title? Option number A is Lewis Hamilton, option B Naomi Osaka, option C Novak Djokovic, and option D is none of the above. Okay friend, so the correct answer is Lewis Hamilton won the Bahrain Grand Prix title of 2020. Okay friends, the option number A is the correct answer. Next question is when is the World AIDS Day celebrated? Options are December 2nd, December 3rd, 13th November, and option number D is none of the above. You should have to know this, that AIDS Day is celebrated on December 1st. Okay friends, answer is none of the above, option number 4th. You should have to know the correct date, that is December 1st. Next question is question number 8. Question number 8 is Papa Boba Diop passed away, to whom he belongs to. Question number A, he is a cricketer. Option B, he is a tennis player. He is a footballer. Or option D, none of the above. So Papa Boba Diop was a football player. He was a football player. He prefers his position as a defensive midfield, but he could also play as a central back, where he previously played at the Lens. Okay, friends. He was also considered as the strong and aggressive players in the team. Question number 9 is the Digawada Bandikui rail sector of NWR was inaugurated by whom? Option number A is Piyush Goyal, option B is Rajnath Singh, option number C is Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and option number D is none of the above. So the correct answer is option number A, Piyush Goyal. Piyush Goyal. Let's know some facts about Piyush Goyal. Piyush Goyal full name is Piyush Ved Prakash Goyal. He is in Indian politics and also the current Minister of Railway, Minister of Commerce and Industry, and Minister of Consumer Affairs, Foods and Public Distribution in Government of India. Okay, friends. He was elevated to the Cabinet Minister position on September 3rd, 2017. Next question is question number 10th. When is the 56th foundation of BSF celebrated? Option number A is December 2nd, option number B is December 1st, option number C is November 30, and option number D is none of the above. So the correct answer is option number B, December 1st. Okay, friends. Let's know some facts about BSF. BSF stands for Border Security Force. The Director General of BSF was Mr. Rakesh Asthana, and the headquarters of BSF was in New Delhi. Okay, friends. Some more facts about Border Security Force is that we all know that they were celebrating 56th Foundation Day of Border Security Force on December 1st, 2020. BSF is also known as the first wall of defense. He was also known as the first wall of defense of Indian territory. He is included as the one of the strongest armies of India, and he is one of the 5 central armed police force of India and the largest border security force in the world. India has the largest border security force in the world. So hope all you like this video. If you like, then share the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you, and please press the bell icon for latest updates and for latest news. Thank you, friends.